Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have here for you Smith's Wi-Fi white ambient bulb. This is a 10 watt bulb, and as you can see here on the product, it has temperatures up to 500 Kelvin. I mean the brightness. So this is a smart bulb which is capable of being controlled by Alexa or Google Home, Google Assistant. So here you see some of the features that have been mentioned: the control, the timer, dimming ability, scenes. On the other side, here we have some of the descriptions. It has a 1 year warranty, and this is a made in India product. On the other side, we have manufacturer info and other things. So let's open this. Okay, so this is the information booklet. Okay, and here is the bulb itself. So next we'll see how to use the app and how we can control this bulb. This is the app that we need to download to set up this bulb. As you can see, the bulb is now in connect mode. It is glowing from hot to cold. As you can see, yellow to bluish light. And to connect this, you need to download this MySwitch app, open it, and you need to be connected to your Wi-Fi. Once you download the app, it will ask for login, and I mean you have to register with the app. Once you register, then you can connect the bulb. To connect the bulb, you just click on the add symbol here, add new device. Select whatever device, like this is a bulb, so we'll add light. Now it will scan for the bulb that is not connected. So this is the bulb that is not connected right now. So I'll click on this one now and start setup. So you can add it to any room, whichever room you want. So I'll add this to the living room. They have few rooms built in the app, so you can add your own rooms also. So now you have to set select your own Wi-Fi, whichever is yours, and put in the Wi-Fi password. And connect it. So once your device is connected, it will switch off, and from here you can connect it. As you can see, you can give a name for your device. Uh, and now the living room bulb has been connected. Uh, so as you can see from here, you can control the bulb. Once I click on the off, it turns off, and then turn it on from here. Once you click on the bulb, you can also change the brightness. As you can see, the brightness decreased and increased. Similarly, you can vary the temperature as well. So now it is warm and cool. To add a schedule to this bulb so that it works on, I mean, switches on a given time and switches off at a given time, what we have to do is add an event. So I'll go to an event and click on add. Here I'll give a name to the event. So I'll just give auto living. So automatically it will turn on and turn on. So then I'll add which bulb I want to add in this event. So you can add multiple bulbs. I am adding only one bulb, the one which is in the living room. And what you have to do is, in this event, what setting you want. If you want it to power on, so it will, you have to click select power on here, and the temperature which you want it to glow on. So I have saved the power on state and temperature. So once this is done, click on done. Your device has been added. Now you have to select when now you have to select the time of the week when you want it to run, this schedule to run. And now I have selected every day. You can give whatever you want, and the timing for the event to start. So just I'll give it to 14 p.m. Okay, and the end time I will set it to 2:15 and save it. So I have saved this event. Go to home and turn off the bulb. So as you will be able to see now the time is 12:13. In a minute it should switch on. So now it is 12:14 as you can see, and the bulb switched on automatically. Now once the time is up, like when it is 2:15 p.m., it will auto. So now it is 2:15 and the bulb has switched off automatically. So yeah, this bulb works great. I mean, the schedule works great, and you can turn off and turn on from your own app from wherever you are. So I did not find many problems with this bulb. Some issues are there, like sometimes this app crashes, and there are some minor bugs in the app. So not there is no issue with the bulb itself, I guess, but their app. So that will improve in the coming time, and I would definitely recommend you to buy this bulb. It is a very nice bulb and worth its value, and it is quite cheap as well. I am providing the link to buy this bulb in the description, and if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.